Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Hopefully you've seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art up first. Then after me we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art should be back this week. Bubbles from venomfluidart. And last but not least, Tony and Kat, the hippy dippy painter men. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. So what I figured today was, I'll just have a little bit of a play. So I've got an 8x10 canvas, and I'm just going to throw some tunes on and have a play. I'll see you later on.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright guys, that's that one. Just something a little bit fun. So in them 2 squeeze bottles, that was just pillow paint. One was white, one was black. Both British Paints Interior wall paint. Nothing's added to it, it's just basic paint. Straight out of the tin. So, I'll do a flyover of that one for you, so you can get a nice close-up look. But doing that gives some crazy trippy effects. Definitely a load of fun. You know, you don't have to use black and white pillow paint. You can use any colour you want. And just boop, 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 make little rings of it and then do your swipes over the top for a bit of fun. I like it, that's trippy. When rainbows meet zebras. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that one. If you did, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on her name in the title of this video. It'll take you to her YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, all you do is click on the link that I put in there and it'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, there'll be a playlist in there. Just click on that. It'll take you through the entire playlist of everybody that's on today. Alright guys, that's it from me. Have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.